Welcome to part 2 of our ratio lesson. One thing you can do with ratios is treat them just like fractions. And we know we can simplify fractions. Remember how? A fraction is in simplest form when the GCF of the numerator and the denominator is 1. So I'm going to give you a couple practice problems to refresh your memory on simplifying. If we have a fraction, 12/18, I can divide the numerator 12 and the denominator 18 by the same factor. Now I want to think of the greatest factor 12 and 18 have in common. Remember GCF? We just got done practicing. So I know there are many factors of both 12 and 18, but the biggest one is, what is it? It's 6. So if I divide 12 divided by 6, I get 2. And 18 divided by 6 is 3. So the simplest form of 12/18 is 2/3. I'll do one more practice. This should be an easy one, 12/24. I hope you recognize right away what the answer is. It does equal 1/2 because 12 is half of 24. But let's go ahead and divide by the greatest common factor of 12 and 24. The greatest common factor of 12 and 24 is 12. So when I divide both the numerator and the denominator by 12, 12 divided by 12 is 1, and 24 divided by 12 is 2. So 12/24 equals 1/2. All right, so that's just a quick review of what you should already know. Let's look at our ratios now in simplest form. Write a ratio in simplest form that compares the number of 2 red paper clips to the number of 6 blue paper clips. Then explain its meaning. We're always explaining in math, so let's go ahead and do the problem and then explain it at the end. We can see we have 2 red paper clips. Okay, and we have 6 blue paper clips. We can write this ratio in fraction form is 2 to 6. I need to simplify the ratio just like I would simplify a fraction. So I know the GCF of 2 and 6 is 2. So I'm going to divide 2 by 2 and 6 by 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the simplest form of 2 to 6 is 1 to 3. To finish off this statement, the ratio of red paper clips to blue paper clips is in word form. I already have word form here, so colon 1 to 3, words 1 to 3, or fraction form 1 to 3. This means that for every one red paper clip, there are how many blue? There are 3 blue paper clips. And that would be our explanation. For every one red paper clip, there are 3 blue paper clips.